Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into how to use Notion for networking. Notion is an amazing tool to manage your network, and today I'll guide you through it. First up, create a new page titled Networking. This is where you'll organize all your contacts. The reason we do this is to have a central place for all your networking information. Now let's create a table inside your networking page. Here, you'll add columns for name, contact information, last contacted, notes, and follow-up. This helps us because it allows you to keep track of your interactions and follow-ups with each contact. Next up, let's fill in the table with your existing contacts. The reason we do this is to centralize all the networking information you already have. Now that we've done that, it's time to create a template for a new entry. Click on Templates and create a new one. This template should include sections for background information, meeting notes, and action items. This is important because it provides a structure for each new contact you add, ensuring you capture all the necessary information. With your template ready, it's time to add a new contact. Click on New. Select your template and fill in the information. This helps us because it makes adding new contacts quick and consistent. Now, let me explain why this matters. Notion's flexibility and customizability make it an excellent tool for networking. By following these steps, you'll be able to keep track of your growing network, remember key information about each contact, and never miss a follow-up. That's it. Now you know how to use Notion for networking. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.